My name is Hannah Rankin. I'm a professional boxer. I'm currently ranked 4 in the world by the WBC, the IBF and the WBA. My goal is to become Scotland's first female world champion, and this week you are watching This Week in Gambling.
Hello everyone, Jay Todd here for This Week in Gambling, coming to you from the floor of the International Casino Expo, or ICE as we call it. I gotta tell you, I didn't know what to expect coming over because last year's event was canceled due to the pandemic, and this year, you know, there's a war going on, so I wasn't sure how the event was going to come off, but I gotta tell you, there are thousands and thousands of people here from all over the world, and hardly anyone's wearing a mask. I normally wear a mask, except when I'm filming. Okay, you may remember a couple of weeks ago, I spoke about how online poker in Michigan was considering joining a multi-state poker compact that already exists between New Jersey, Nevada, and Delaware. And now I can report that, yes, in fact, they have joined that compact. Now, unlike traditional casino games, poker needs players, and joining these poker compacts for smaller states will make online poker viable for everyone. And now that Michigan has joined that poker compact, perhaps we're going to see that landslide of regulating online poker like we saw with sports betting recently. So, here's to hoping for that. Now, another thing I was noticing this week is esports. New Jersey just regulated esports betting. If you don't know what that is, take a game like Call of Duty, and you have a team that plays against another team, and they could play for cash or a trophy or whatever, but now people are betting on the outcome of those games. Yes, now these are different than casino skill games. If you've never seen a casino skill game, we have several videos for them on thisweekingambling.com or our YouTube channel. So go check them out. But esports are something altogether different. And now New Jersey has started regulating esports, and we're seeing some esports data providers moving into the American market. So if you're interested, we've got some information for you on our website about esports. It could be the next big thing. So, we got through all of that, and no one walked in front of my shot, and no one came and stood beside me and asked me a question, and no one came and screamed behind me. They may have waved. I don't know. I wasn't looking. I guess I'll see it when I edit.
This week's exclusive promotion is for the Yo-Yo Casino. Right now, Casino City has special offers for Yo-Yo and other gaming sites. Follow the direct link in this video's description to online.casinocity.com for all the details.
Hey, welcome back. As I was telling you in the first half of the program, this is a ginormous event. I think that's the correct English term, ginormous. And I'm going to show you some B-roll now of just how big this event is. Normally, I would say there's 25, 35, maybe even 40,000 people attending this. We're down about 30%, which is pretty much spot on for an event making a comeback. Unfortunately, a lot of these slot manufacturers that I film with to bring you the reviews are not here. It was just logistically too challenging to get a lot of those slot machines over here. So I'm going to have to wait, maybe go down to Vegas and film some slot reviews there in person. But I did want to tell you that we do have a new slot machine review out for you right now from our friends at Aristocrat. It's the Big Fish Grand, which is based on the classic spinning reel game with a catch and win mechanic where players win whatever lands in that little box right there. And it's a medium volatility game that comes with a gamble feature and has a multi-site progressive jackpot. You can find the review for this game and hundreds more when you visit our YouTube channel. While you're there, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. So, I'm going to go get COVID tested, and if I'm negative, I'm getting on that airplane, and I'll see you guys next week.
Please silence your cell phones.